Everyone says the PMP is your golden ticket into a project management job. I hire project managers for a living, and it is not. Quick context: I am Nick. Over 20 years managing information technology projects, and today I am the person who actually decides which project managers get staffed on projects. So I have been on both sides of the table. And in the next few minutes, I will give you the real puzzle to landing a project management job, plus the one reason your inbox might be silent that has nothing to do with you. So let us start with the myth. Somebody told you get your PMP and the job will follow, and I get it. That advice is everywhere. But if you have your PMP or you are studying for it right now and you are still hearing nothing back, that is not because you are not good enough. The PMP was never the whole story. It is one piece of a much bigger puzzle. So let me lay out that puzzle. To actually land a project management job, you need four things working together. One, a strong resume that shows real experience. Two, certifications like your PMP that act as credentials, proof on paper that you can do the job. Three, you have to prepare for the interview and actually nail it. And four, the big one, your resume has to get in front of a real human, a recruiter, a hiring manager. Look at where the PMP sits in that list. It is one piece. It strengthens your resume, and on the job, it gives you a framework. But it is not mandatory and it does not guarantee you anything. So when someone says, just get your PMP and you will land the role, that is simply not true. And that first piece, real experience, is exactly where most of you get stuck. Hold that thought, because artificial intelligence has changed what is possible there, and I will show you in a minute. But first, the piece that changes everything. Say you nail all of it: the certification, a strong resume, the interview preparation. None of it matters if your resume never reaches a human. And right now, that is the hardest part of the entire job search. Think about what is happening to job boards today. Artificial intelligence auto apply tools firing off hundreds of applications a day. Resumes built by artificial intelligence flooding every posting. One opening gets buried under hundreds, sometimes thousands of submissions. So your resume, as strong as it is, sits in a pile no human will ever finish reading. And that is why, in my experience, 90% of the time, nobody even sees your application. You are not getting rejected, you are getting missed. So here is what I built to fix exactly that. It is a tool that takes a specific job posting and finds you the right contact, the actual recruiter or the hiring manager for that role. Then it writes a personalized email for that specific job and helps you send it straight to their inbox. So instead of being submission number 800 in a pile, you are a thoughtful personal message in front of the person who actually makes the decision. Does it guarantee a callback? No, nothing does. But from what I have seen, it is roughly 60 to 70% better than firing your resume into a pile and hoping someone scrolls far enough to find it. But getting seen only matters if you can actually do the job once you are in the room. And that is the objection I hear the most. Nick, I have never managed a real project, never dealt with a difficult stakeholder or a budget blowing up or a timeline falling apart. How am I supposed to feel ready? So I built a second tool, an artificial intelligence project simulator. You step into real project scenarios and manage them in real time. Stakeholders reaching out to you, developers you are coordinating with, decisions on scope, budget, and timeline coming at you, all of it played out by artificial intelligence. And I will be honest with you, I have over 20 years doing this for real. When I tested it myself, I was sweating. It genuinely felt like I was running an actual project, even though every single person in it was artificial intelligence. So, if you have never managed a complex project, this is how you build that muscle and that confidence before you are ever in the hot seat. So, let us bring it together. The PMP is one piece of the puzzle. It helps your resume, it gives you a framework, but it does not guarantee anything, and it is not mandatory. A strong resume is another piece. Interview preparation is another. But the main piece, the one that decides whether any of the rest even matters, is getting a real human to see you and pick up the phone. That is the hard part today. And that is the part I am trying to solve for you. So if you want to try both tools, the contact finder and the project simulator, The link is in the description below. I am running this as a launch, so I am keeping the price low on purpose. I want your feedback to make it better. Right? The price will go up as the system gets stronger, but early testers get in low. And if you would rather just ask questions first, my free project management community is linked too. But before you go, I really want to know, does a PMP certification drive the job offer, or is it just one piece of the puzzle? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. And if this helped, give it a like. It helps more aspiring project managers find it. I will see you in the next one. Take care.